Good evening and welcome everyone to today's event.
We are an institute where filmmaking is one of our degree, so I think it will really help my faculty, my students to get exposed to information which is practically otherwise not possible. And I'm really happy to see this kind of interaction.
I would like to mostly connect with the students over here, and if I'm able to even inspire one of you, I'd feel that I'm successful at doing what I'm doing.
And I'm really excited to introduce to you members of my team that are here trying to produce a film so that we can build a bridge between Pakistan and Hollywood, because Pakistanis do not lack culture.
The country of Pakistan, I landed here, and I have to be honest, as a typical American, my information came from mostly news. But since I've landed, the amount of hospitality and love that's been shown to me from Pakistan is beyond my wildest imagination.
With a beautiful story with romance, laughter, and sadness, because we have a little bit of that in our lives, we're able to unify.
I am in shock. When I came to Pakistan, I had no idea the culture was this warm and welcoming.
And Lahore is full of culture. So I welcome you all in Lahore. And I'm excited to know that you are going to make a good film with Pakistani people, with Pakistani artists.
Everybody might be having his own case, but in my case, film is the most effective way to convince me, and I get convinced very easily with the film. If you make it right, it will go right.
Maya mainu yaad aamda sun zar teri mithe mithe kook Maya mainu yaad aamda
Let's work towards a more beautiful world. Thank you so much and good night everyone.